Hello, in this video we're going to look at how to sign up for a Pacific Marketing Labs portal account and how to install your first app. So head over to pacificmarketinglabs.io and click the sign up button here. This will take you through to create your account. You'll then be sent a one-time password code that will be sent to your email address, so we've got multi-factor authentication. That's now created your initial account on Pacific Marketing Labs. First thing to do is to collect your HubSpot portal. So if we click connect new portal, our platform is HubSpot, put in your company name. So I'm going to call this test company C, and I'm going to put my HubSpot portal ID in here. So click next. After this, it's going to ask you to put in your address detail. This is for billing information. So if you're on the, even if you're on the free tier, we still need to collect this information, even though you won't be putting your credit card details in. If you're on a paid tier, you will later on be required to put your credit card details in. So we're in the United Kingdom. If you're in the United Kingdom, it does force you to pay in pounds sterling. If you choose another country, for example, let's choose United States, the currency, you have an option of currencies. So any country other than the United Kingdom, you can choose which currency you want. We're going to stick with the United Kingdom. And if you're in the United Kingdom and you are VAT registered, please put your details in there to receive a VAT invoice. Okay, so once you've connected your portal, the platform's going to ask you if you'd like to install an app. In this instance, we're going to install Valid8. Click the install button, and it will now ask you to connect your HubSpot portal. So we're going to select our portal, choose account, then going to give it permission. So ignore the unverified app warning. That's just because it's a new app. It's not been through the verification process. Over time, this will disappear and you won't see this. This is just showing how the app is going to interact with your HubSpot instance. So click Connect App, and that's it. Valid8 is now installed and connected, but to use it, you need to select a usage plan. So click to select plan. We've got 4 different options. So in this instance, I'm just going to choose free. So I'm going to click select plan. We also offer an installation package with Valid8 to set up HubSpot reporting and quarantine lists within your instance of HubSpot. There's a one-off charge for this, and it's entirely optional. We also do have videos in our help center to show you how to set up this reporting and quarantine list. This option here is purely if you'd like us to do it for you. So I'm not going to select in this instance. I'm going to just continue to check out. And because I chose the free version, it's recognized that. It's now confirming that my plan's now live and it's ready to use on the portal. So if we go back to the HubSpot portal and we go to contacts, we'll see in here that Valid8, if we enter into a contact, into Brian Hannigan, for example, this is a demo portal, remember, Valid8 will now be installed here on the left. Now what we'll see is it's likely to have been put into the bottom, okay, because it's a new one that's been put into the bottom there. So if we just want to move that to the top, the quickest way to do that is to close down these other bits of information, just drop it into the top.